Members and registered users, you have requested a video tutorial of the webtrees Great New Mexico Pedigree Database genealogy software program, and we have produced one. The Board of Directors of the Hispanic Genealogical Research Center of New Mexico directed their webtrees GNMPD editors to make one that will help you get the most out of this web-based genealogy application. We invite you to view this instructional tutorial in order to obtain a better understanding of the software features. Welcome visitors and registered users to the homepage for webtrees Great New Mexico Pedigree Database, GNMPD. This page contains valuable information pertaining to GNMPD, so be sure to read all of the paragraphs and links presented here. webtrees has very powerful navigation tools, menus, and lists, which allow you to move easily within the database. You will use the top icon menu bar and the upper right menu bar to access many of the selections and information in the GNMPD. Anyone may enter the database and view the records. However, if you establish a user account, you will then have full access to all of the records and many of the additional features of the Great New Mexico Pedigree Database. To become a registered user, begin by going to the navigation menu bar on the top right and click on Sign In. iPad users will tap on Sign In. The Sign In page will allow you to perform any one of three tasks. 1. Registered users must sign in with their username and password in order to gain access to the comprehensive database. 2. If you forget your password, you can request a new one by tapping on the link Forgot Password. 3. Visitors who want to become a registered user must tap on the Request a New User Account. Next, click or tap on Request a New User Account. After you have read the agreement notice at the top, complete all of the fields and then tap at the bottom to continue. Next, click or tap on the icon menu Family Tree to return to the home page. Click or tap on the title Sign In the navigation menu bar at the top right. Enter your username and password and click or tap on Sign In. My Page is the first screen to open after signing in. This page can be customized to your desire. To customize your view of the website, hover or tap on My Pages in the navigation menu bar located in the upper right corner of the page. My Page appears at the top of the drop-down menu. It also functions as a return command to this page. Tap on My Account. Here you can manage your account, make changes, add a default individual, and more. When finished, save your changes. Hover or tap on the pages, and from the drop-down menu, click or tap on My Page. Next, hover or tap on My Pages, and from the drop-down menu, click or tap on Customize this page. In this page, you are presented with three separate blocks that represent the location of different sets of information on your viewing page. The left block contains your main section of the page. The right block contains the items you choose to be on the right side. The middle block provides a neutral area where you may move items you no longer wish to view or to move to the opposite side. Arrow keys are used to move sections up or down or out to the middle block or from the middle block to the right section. You may set the available blocks to customize My Page. Windows users will have a list of available blocks to choose from in the center section. iPad users will need to tap on the down triangle next to the blank box in the center section, and a drop-down menu of blocks will appear from which to choose. Select from any of the blocks available in the drop-down menu and move it to the main section or right section. Click or tap on Favorites in the middle block. Click or tap on the left side arrow pointing in the direction of main section blocks. When it turns red, it confirms that Favorites is now in the main block section. Click Tap Save to Set. In the new page that opens, click or tap on Add a Favorite. Every individual and family in the database is assigned a unique identification number. Individuals will all begin with the letter I, and families with F. It must be entered in the block. We will enter I 166477. Once you have entered your selected ID number, click or tap on Add. A name associated with the ID number will appear in the Favorites box. When you click or tap on this name, it will bring up the person family in the database. Click or tap on the name in the Favorites block. The first highlighted blue tab you see, Facts and Events, presents the genealogical profile for the individual. Click or tap on the birth source to validate the fact or event. This new window leads one to the details of the source. Besides details on the source, one can find all individuals and families attached to this source. Click or tap on the back arrow to return to the profile page. On the right side of the page is the Family Navigator. Click Tap on the names or titles, and that page will open. For example, click or tap on Fabian Chavez. A new Facts and Events page has opened for Fabian Chavez. In the Family Navigator on the right side, scroll down until you find the name Manuel Esquiel Chavez and click or tap on him. Click or tap on the Families tab under Manuel Esquiel Chavez. The Families tab is now highlighted in blue, and the individual and his family members are listed. Hover over the name Manuel Esquiel Chavez with the cursor, and his individual number will appear in the browser bar at the bottom left of the screen. For Apple iPad users, tap or hold on Manuel Esquiel Chavez, and a window will appear that shows the individual number. Next, click or tap on Sources tab. Click or tap on Show All Sources, and the sources will appear for that individual. Next, click or tap on the Notes tab. Click or tap on Show All Notes, and the notes will appear provided there are notes. Next, click or tap on the Interactive Tree tab. The interactive tree displays the family tree of the individual. Click or touch and hold to slide the screen side to side up or down. Next, hover or tap on Theme in the navigation menu bar located in the upper right corner of the page. The Theme Title pull-down menu gives you different styles in which to change the look of your page. The appearance and menus of some of the themes will differ from webtrees. Our recommendation is to use webtrees. Next, hover or tap on Language in the navigation menu bar located in the upper right corner of the page. The Title Language pull-down menu offers a choice of different languages available for your use. Next, we will explore the Icons menu bar at the top. Click or tap on the Home Family Tree located in the top Icons menu bar. The Icons menu bar and top right menu bar function the same when in Family Tree or My Page. This page welcomes visitors to view the database and get information about it. In the News block, users are kept informed on current genealogical events. It is recommended that you explore the drop-down menu options to see what best meets your needs. Next, hover or tap on My Pages in the navigation menu bar located in the upper right corner of the page, and then click or tap on My Page from the pull-down menu. Next, from the icon menu bar at the top, hover or tap on Charts, and a drop-down menu will appear. A drop-down menu of chart lists are available to view or create. Next, hover or tap on Lists in the Icons menu navigation bar. Lists provides a drop-down menu of different types of genealogical lists used for research. Next, hover or tap on the Calendar icon located in the navigation menu bar. Calendar provides a drop-down selection of time periods. Next, hover or tap on Reports in the Icon navigation menu bar. Reports provides a drop-down menu of useful reports used for genealogy. Next, click or tap on Ancestors. The Ancestors window will open. Next, in the individual box, enter the individual number of the ancestor, or click or tap on the individual icon and a search window will open. webtrees has entered the favorite individual as the default. We will use it. However, any individual in the database may be used. In the Generations box, click or tap on the down caret and pull down menu of choices from 3 to All will appear. We will use 6. Next, click or tap on Show Sources and click or tap on Continue. Wait a bit, and a complete Ancestors report will appear. You will have the option to save or print the report. Just click or tap on the page. Click or tap on the back arrow. Next, hover or tap on the Search in the Icon navigation menu bar. From the drop-down menu, click or tap on General Search. In this box, enter the name or unique identification number of the individual or family and search for and select the type of records you desire, then click or tap on Search below. Next, hover or tap on the search icon and click or tap on Advanced Search. advanced search is beneficial when searching for an individual in the database. In this search window, fill in the name fields, given names, and surname. There are other fields available to narrow down the search results. Next, click or tap on the down caret next to surname. This pull-up menu allows you to set perimeters for your search from broader to narrow scope. We recommend that you consider using contains or sounds like to have a better chance of finding the individual in the database. When finished, always click or tap on Sign Out in the navigation menu bar located in the upper right corner of the page. This concludes our video presentation on the use of the webtrees Great New Mexico Pedigree Database by the Hispanic Genealogical Research Center of New Mexico.